Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing about the chapter living and non-living things, and the chapter is finished, it's completed, and today we are going to discuss question answers of this lesson. Okay, so just open the page number 115. Open the page number 115. I can see this page. Okay, so first take a pencil and write here. Okay, write on the test book. Okay, so first one is write true or false. What is the first question? All natural things are living. All natural things are living. Is it correct? No, it is false. It is false. All natural things are not living. How you can say that? See, now sun is a natural thing. Yeah, sun is a natural thing, but it's not a living thing. Okay, moon is a natural thing, but it's not a living thing. Okay, so many are there except sun and moon. Many things are there which are natural but not living things. So the first one is false. Okay, next the second question. Non-living things need food. Non-living things need food. Is it true? No, it is also false. It is also false. See, you don't have enough space there, so you can write just F. Okay, and if it's true, then write only T. Okay. So the second one is non-living things need food. No, they do not need food. They do not need food because they do not grow, they do not breathe, they do not die, they don't have life in them. So they do not need food also. So it is false. Next, living things breathe. Yes, is it true? All living things breathe. It is true. Okay. Next, things which have life are called as living things. Yes, it is true. Things which are having life in them are called living things. It's true. Next, living things have a sense of touch. All living things have a sense of touch. Yes, it's true. Sense of touch in the sense, if you touch the living thing, it can feel the sense. It can feel the sense. So, it is true. Okay. So, you have there small boxes. Don't have enough space to write false, true. Okay. So, you can write only F if the answer is false. If the answer is true, you can write only T also. Okay. So next after this, fill in the blanks is there. Yes, fill in the blanks is there. See, what is the first question? And in the given boxes, there are 4 boxes are there upside. In the first box is tomato. The next second box frog. Third one is lungs. Fourth one is cat. Okay, so you have to choose the correct answer and write it below given the questions. Okay, what is the first question? We breathe through dash. We breathe through what? We breathe through nose. Yes, it's true. But in that given boxes, nose is there? No. What is there? We also breathe through our lungs. Yes, lungs is there, no? So it is the correct answer. See, I will not write the question here. I will just write the answer. We also write the answer in the given line. Okay. So we breathe through. First one is lungs. We breathe through lungs. Next, second one. A kitten grows into a dash. A kitten grows into a dash. See, when you when you take a baby of a cat, when it's small, what you called it? You called it kitten. But when it grows into a big, what we called it? We called it cat. Okay, ಏನೋ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿನ ಮರಿ ಸಣ್ಣದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿಟನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ a kitten grows into a cat. Okay, and now the third one. What is the question? A tadpole grows into a dash. A tadpole grows into a dash. Tadpole in the sense baby frog. Baby frog. ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅದರ ಬೇಬಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಟ್ಯಾಡ್ಪೋಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಡ್ಪೋಲ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಡ್ಪೋಲ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್. When the baby of a cat we call kitten, the baby of a frog we called tadpole. Keep it in mind. Okay. Next, the fourth question: plants breathe through dash. Yes. How the plants breathe? I told you that they breathe through their stomata, which is present. Where is the present? Where you can see the stomata? Yes, it is present in the leaves. It is present in the leaves of the plant. Okay, so how the plants breathe through? Plants breathe through stomata. Okay, it is stomata. Okay, first one is lungs. We breathe through lungs. Next, a kitten grows into a cat. Next, a tadpole grows into a frog. Next, plants breathe through stomata. Okay, so these are the true or false. These are the fill in the blanks. Okay, now the next one, match the following is there. What is there? Match the following. See. First one, match the following. All man-made things are. Things are. Second one, human beings, plants. Plants. And animals. Okay, third one, we feel pain. And the fourth one, all living things need. All living things need. See. ikkade ಏನದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, and the second one is non living things. Food. Next, if someone pricks you. Pricks you. Okay, pricks us, sorry. If someone pricks us. Okay. So, these are the match the following. You have to match the questions with the right answers. Okay. So, first one is all man-made things are. All man-made things are. What we call all man-made things are? What we call them? Non-living things. Okay, all man-made things are called as non-living things because they don't have life in them. Yes, and those are the made by man. Those are the called as non-living things. Okay, so the next one is human beings, plants, and animals. Yes, what are these? These are the living things. Okay. Human beings, plants and animals are called as living things because they have life in them. They need food, they breathe, they die, they grow. Okay, so all these are called as living thing. Okay, next one, we feel pain. We feel pain if someone pricks us. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದೇನೋ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? we feel pain. Okay. Next, all living things need food. Yes, all living things need food. Okay. So, after this, multiple choice questions are there. Multiple choice questions are there. So, see, I will write the answer here. Okay. So what is the first question? Which of the following is a man-made thing? Which of the following is the man-made thing? Eighth one, river. B, rock. C, computer. D, none of the above. Which of the following is a man-made thing? What are the man-made things? The things which are made by man. ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿವರ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. ಸೊ ರಿವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾನ್? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಕ್. Is it made by man? No, it is also a natural thing. Next, sixth one, computer. Yes, computer is made by a man. Okay, then what is the answer? C, computer. Computer. Because computer is a machine. Computer is an electronic machine which is made by man. Okay. So the second one, which of the following is a natural thing? Which of the following is a natural thing? Natural things in the sense the things we are getting from the nature or naturally are called natural things. So they given the options. First one is plant. Next one, television. Road, none of the above. Tell me, television is the man-made thing or a natural thing? Television is also an electronic machine. It is made by the man. Okay. And next, road. Roads are made by the man. It's not natural. Next one, plant. Yes, plant is a natural thing. Plant ಯಾರು ತಯಾರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. Plant ಏನು ಯಾರು ತಯಾರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ. It's a natural thing. So the second answer is plant. Okay. Just do the one thing. Just put the right mark like this. Computer, plant. Put the right mark. Okay. Next, third question. What is that? Living things dash. Living things dash. A, grow. B, breathe. C, do not reproduce. D, both A and B. Yes. Some of the features they are given there. Features of living things. They can grow. Living things can grow. Yes, they can grow. Then living things can breathe. Yes, they can breathe. Sixth one, do not reproduce. No, living things can reproduce. Whether it's an animal or a human being or a plant, all living things can reproduce in different ways. But they can reproduce. Okay. So sixth one option is wrong. Do not reproduce. No. Okay. Then D, both A and B. Both A and B in the sense answer A nu agbodu, B nu agbodu. So the answer is D, both A and B. Both A and B. Because A and B andre A one ಏನದ answer grow, living things can grow, and B in the sense all living things can breathe also. Okay, so the answer is both. Okay, next fourth one, what is the feature of non-living thing? So now you already know all the features of non-living thing. So first one, they do not need food. Yes, all living things do not need food. Okay. Next one, they do not reproduce. Yes, they do not reproduce. Sixth one, they do not die. Yes, they do not die. Then sixth one, Dth one, all of the above. Yes, all features are correct only. Okay, all these are all of the features of non-living thing. So Dth, which one is the answer? All of the above. So all of the above. All of the above. Okay, you all are getting me. So fifth one, a kitten grows into a dash. A kitten grows into a dash. What is kitten? A baby cat. Baby of a cat. Okay, it is a kitten. So a kitten grows into a dash. Kitten ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Frog. No. Then what is frog? It is the when a tadpole grows into a big, that's called a frog. Then what is the what we call a kitten when it grows? Butterfly? No. Moth? No. Mosquito? No. It's not. D, cat. What is the correct answer? Cat. When a kitten grows into a, we called it cat. Okay. So these are the multiple choice questions. Okay. So after this, some of the questions are there again. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Let's see. First one. Answer the following questions. First one. What is the question? Do all natural things have life in them? Do all living things have life in them? Yes, they have life in them. Next, one more there. Question is there. Name two natural things. Name two natural things that are living. That are living. ಅವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. For example, sun example ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ because the sun is a natural thing. Yes, it is a natural thing, but it's not a living thing. Okay, so you should give any two examples which are living things and which are also natural things. Okay, so first one, do all natural things have life in them? Do all natural things have life in them? No, all naturals have not life in them. Right. All natural things do not have life in them. Okay. Next, name two natural things that are living. Okay. Tell me two natural things. Those are the living things. First one, plant. Yes, plant is a natural thing and it is also a, what is that, living thing. Okay. Next, one more is animals. Animals. Okay. Next, the next question is, okay, next question. What are man-made things? What are man-made things? And give two examples. The second one. What are man-made things? Tell me. Things which are made by man. Things which are made by man. Made by man, called man-made things. Man-made things. Next, what they ask for? Give two examples. Give two examples for the man-made things. Man-made, many are there. First one is table. Yes, table is a man-made thing. And again, computer. You can write computer is also a non-living thing, and as well it is a man-made thing. Okay. Next, third one. What is the third question? How do plants reproduce? How do plants reproduce? Third one. So plants also, write down. Plants also give rise to give rise to new plants from seeds, roots, stems, okay, and leaves, not and, or leaves. Seed. It depend on the plant. It depend on the plant because some of the plants give rise to a new plant from the seeds, some of the from the roots, some of them from the stems, or some of them from the leaves. Okay, so all plants are different to give the rise to a new plant. Okay. Next one, fourth one, is the question. Why do living things need food? Why do all living things need food? Living things need food to live and grow. Okay? Living things need food to live and grow. Grow. Why do they need food? To live and grow. Okay. Next. Still 4 questions are there. Okay. Now only 4 questions are completed. First one, do all natural things have life in them? Name 2 natural things. No, all natural things do not have life in them. Okay, so examples are plants and animals. Next one, things which are made by man are called as man-made things. Examples are for table and computer. You can say door, home, house, etc. Many are there. Okay. Next, plants also give rise to a new plant from seeds, roots, stems or leaves. It depends on the plant. Okay. Next, why do all living things need food? All living things need food to live and grow. Okay. 4 questions are completed. Still 4 are there. Still 4 questions are there. I will continue it in the next class. Okay.